Hi, class. I just wanted to give you some additional information to help you with week 2 discussion question. Um, when you go into your family file, you'll have your family pulled up. Your primary dental insurance box, you can click on it one time and it will pop up your insurance information box. I just want to stress again, pay close attention to the name of the boxes that you're dealing with. I that's how I talk to you. That's how I reference them. That's how I give you instructions by kind of showing you where to go. I refer to what the name of that box may be, the name of that area. So this also will help you learn the verbiage of Dentrix and learn the system a little bit better. But in your insurance information box, you have the patient listed or the subscriber. They could be separate. We can change it by clicking on the arrow. We can change it to her spouse, which is Lawrence, or keep it on Pamela. So we're going to keep it on Pamela. Pamela has Aetna. If you click on the double arrows, you have a list of insurance companies that you can choose from. The subscriber ID has to be in this field in order for the claim to get paid or recognized. Release of information and assignment of benefits have to be checked in order for the practice for the dental office to receive those payments from Aetna, from the insurance company. Here you can change the relation to subscriber. The next box is the insurance data box. As you can see, this information is all filled out. So everything that is filled out is pretty much required. We definitely we need to have a name of that insurance carrier. The group plan will just help us get to the right area to get that claim paid quicker. The employer in this case is the same as the group plan name. Sometimes it's different. It may be an employer, maybe Lowe's, but the group plan may be for salaried employees or hourly employees. So that could differ, but it's a good idea to have group plan name. Employer name has to be there, or if it's not through an employer, it would be self. So it would be the subscriber. The address has to be on every claim in order for that claim to get to where it's going, even if the claim is going electronically. The phone number is optional. The group number has to be there. Last updated is the automatic fill in. Benefit renewal is something that the practice should keep track of as to when this person's insurance will renew. Claim format is the type of claim that we're using. That is automatically filled in by the system. Fee schedule is optional. Payer ID, if we're sending the claim electronically, has to be there. So these are some just more detailed information to help you with that question. So say if I clear this form, then you'll see all the information is gone. So pretty much everything that left is something too that you have to add back in. But these that stayed, they have to be there, but they are some things that the system automatically puts in. So that's it. I'm not going to save this. I'm going to hit cancel so that that information, if I pull it back up, will be back on there. So it's here. I didn't save it. So this is all the information. Now you can look at the claim this way, but we're not getting into all that because unless you're going to work in the front office, and then I have a whole class for you on that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to text me. But hopefully this will clear up any questions you had on that discussion question for week 2. Have a great rest of your week and enjoy your weekend.